Two for you, Papa.
A present?
One for you, one for Lucy.
Oh, that's good.
And so I bought something, honey.
Oh, you bought something?
That's two.
A telephone.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh. Lucy, Mila got a present for you.
I got a present for you, and I got milk.
Milk?
And chocolate tuber. And I got chocolate tuber, and I got some drinks.
Oh, that's a good idea. Thank you.
No, here's yours.
Okay.
Here's your soda. Here's a soda.
Lucy, do you want your soda? There you go.
You have to drink it with this.
Drink it up.
And I have some tubers or soda and chocolate. Oh. And this is my food.
Sing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. I got some play to eat.
What?
I got some play.
Oh, for Lucy to play. It's a tea set, right?
Yeah. For something. Oh, should I make them? Do you want forks?
Yeah, I need a fork.
Do you have a fork?
Oh, that's okay. I don't need it. I don't need a fork.
Okay.
Just a cup.
I some more.
Just a cup of water, okay?
Be my sword, yeah. Don't you treat Papa. It's so mean.
Good singing. Hey, Mila, what are you doing over there?
What is your son?
What you got? Oh, can I have a drink?
Oh yeah. This is her tea.
Thank you.
For your plate. For that's mine.
It's a good tea party.